In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a blog writing AI agent in n8n. Start by opening n8n and heading to the workflows area where you'll assemble everything. Decide how you want the automation to begin. Use a manual trigger while you're building and testing. Switch to a webhook if an external app or form should start the flow, or use a schedule to generate posts at regular intervals. If you're planning an interactive experience such as a chat-based assistant that can take requests live, add a chat trigger instead. That lets users converse with the agent from a chat interface and kick off the same process. Next, add the AI agent node. This node is powered by LangChain, so it can decide which connected tools to call, not just reply with text. Choose the agent type that fits your goal. A tools agent is ideal when you want the system to research, consult knowledge bases, and push content to other apps. A conversational agent emphasizes dialogue and context across turns. Choose your model. You can select an OpenAI chat model like GPT-4o or go with Google Gemini. Keep credentials secure, set a sensible temperature for consistent output, and consider token limits for longer articles. Give the agent clear instructions and a persona. Define audience, tone, structure, and SEO expectations. So headings, intros, conclusions, and calls to action are consistent and on brand. Strong guidance here reduces rewrites later. To enable real actions, connect tool nodes to the agent. Attach a research tool such as Tavily or SirPapai so the agent can fetch up-to-date facts for timely topics. For company-specific knowledge, plug in a vector store. Pinecone or Qdrant works well for retrieval augmented generation, helping the agent stay aligned with your documentation and style guides. Add a WordPress node configured to create a draft post. Map the structured fields the agent will produce. Title, body, excerpt, categories, and tags, so the draft lands cleanly in your CMS without manual cleanup. To keep everything predictable, enforce structure in the output. Use a set node to define the expected fields, or specify the schema directly in the agent's prompt. A reliable schema makes it easier to hand off content to WordPress and downstream QA. Before anything goes live, route the draft to stakeholders with an email or Slack node for approval. They can review the content, give feedback, and sign off before publishing, ensuring quality control remains in human hands. Follow this flow to create a reliable end-to-end blog writing agent in n8n that researches, writes, structures, and delivers a polished draft ready for review.